Hi, good afternoon. It's Mike Childs with Myrtle Beach Homes and Lifestyles. And today I'm at the beach at the old Springmaid Pier. We're going to do a walk around the pier. They're currently rebuilding it. Hopefully they'll have this pier ready by the summertime. But we're going to take a walk around and kind of give you an update of what's going on here at Springmaid Pier in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Springmaid Pier is located at the southernmost end of Ocean Boulevard in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on what is locally known as Springmaid Beach. The pier was part of the Springmaid Beach Resort, which was acquired by the Hilton Corporation in 2016. The property was renamed to the Doubletree Resort by Hilton Myrtle Beach Oceanfront. Wow, that's a mouthful. However, it will always be known as Springmaid Beach to lifelong locals like myself. The pier was originally built in 1953, but was destroyed in 1954 by Hurricane Hazel. It was rebuilt in 1959 and destroyed again by an airplane crash. 14 years later, in 1973, they built a new pier just north of the old piers. Springmaid Pier remained a popular attraction for locals and visitors until October 2016, when it was destroyed by Hurricane Matthew. Springmaid Pier was once the longest in Myrtle Beach at 1,060 feet. The Hilton Corporation began rebuilding the pier in May of 2019 and hoped to have it completed by the summer of this year. What you see today is actually two piers. They have built a temporary construction pier out of steel on the north side. This construction pier supports the cranes and other equipment needed to build the new pier. It will be removed once the new pier is completed. On the south side, you can see the new pier and the remnants of the old pier. The new pier is built on concrete pylons with concrete crossbeams. The deck and rails will be wood and won't be quite as wide as the original pier. The pier is about 2/3 complete, and I, for one, can't wait to see it finished. I hope you enjoyed this update and the short walk on the beach with me today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and use the comments section below if you have questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the beach one day soon.